Hi, I'm Jamie, and welcome to New Home Lifestyles, showing the best in new home design across the country. Today, we're in Roy, Utah with Woodside Homes, looking at the Amesbury model in the Crestwood Estates community. Take it away.
All right, everybody, here we are. We are in Roy, Utah. This is our community, Crestwood Estates. Lot sizes here start at 0.18 of an acre and go up to about 0.22. Really close access to I-15, shopping. It's honestly just a great spot. Floor plans, ramblers, two-story, really good mix, you name it, all in the low 300s and going up from there, depending on upgrades and lot cost and which floor plan you want, of course. Today, we're going to be taking you through this home, which is our model home, just barely finished this week. You guys are the first ones to see it. It's the Amesbury floor plan. So let's go in and take a look at it. This is our sales office right here, just so you know when you come by. Really common question. People wonder about the driveway. Of course, that will be put in at the time of selling the home. Right now, we're using it as a sales office. So, one quick note. This is our elevation D, which is kind of, I've heard it called Pacific Northwest, more modern, trendy look. It's been very popular in the last year or so as we've launched it out into our other communities. So we definitely wanted to bring it up here to Roy so that you would have that to choose from. We do also have, of course, more traditional finishes as well. So let's head inside here. All right, inside.
Hey Nate,
Yes.
we had a really quick question about HOA fees. If you
Oh,
could address
good
that.
question. Yes, HOA fees. Great question. So HOA fees greatly impact what you can afford in the home, of course. So that's a very common question. We are happy to say that this is a no HOA community. So no worries there. You'll be able to store for your money because you don't have to calculate that HOA payment into your monthly income, right? Great question. Thank you for asking. So as I was saying, first thing, we walk in the door, you're going to see this open concept, great room. All of our floor plans are going to feature that, whether it's a single story or a two-story. We like you to have the space to entertain. We like the natural light to be able to fill the entire room. Not just going right down the center that's going to kind of block your access. Cook dinner here, buffet right there. As the game is on, or whatever your entertainment choice is, the open concept really opens the ability within incorporate that into all our floor plans. That's the front door we came in. Powder bath, of course, closet. Right here. This is kind of our, family room, great room space. Again, flexible use. Depending on, what furniture you want to use, this line can move forward towards the TV or backwards if you want more space here versus the kitchen area. So we got the niches on the side, which is really great. DVDs, storage, blankets, what have you. Our kitchen, they really outdid themselves. This is actually one of the first times I've been out here to see this particular model. I've seen the floor plan before, but looks really great with the white. We got the waterfall countertop here, stainless steel appliances, and the raised cabinets to go up to the 9-foot ceiling. Got a desk space here. Then it's going to get a little claustrophobic on this view. This is your garage entry, pantry, and then a really deep laundry room for you. Tons of storage for whatever you need. That's a really good flex space. I'll just back away from that so you can kind of get the perspective, of course, coming into the kitchen. All right. And of course, feel free to ask any questions if you guys are watching. I'm happy to answer them. I try to keep everything in mind to kind of follow a script, but I'm human, so I forget sometimes. Let's head upstairs. And you'll see again that open concept feel, no walls dividing the space. You're going to have a lot of openness, a lot of natural light. Coming up to the top of the stairs here, this is the bonus room. So this space is an upgrade. You can actually choose to make it a bonus room like you see here, or you can even do a fourth bedroom, which will follow that bathroom wall straight across. And then you'll have kind of a smaller flex space here. Lots of options. Again, this is the Amesbury floor plan. This is your entry-level point into a 2-story home, but we can get you into 4 bedrooms, which is really nice. So again, den here, hang out. All the adults can hang out downstairs, send the kids up here to play, however you want to use it. It's really up to you. This is your bathroom 2, or kids' bathroom, guest bathroom. And then these are the bedrooms here. So you got 1 and 2. And I love the style that our interior designers have been putting into this home. Just the thought of it, it's been really great. I almost feel like I'm walking in somebody's house, even though it's a model. So over here, get a little bit of space between the bedrooms in here. This is your master bedroom. So window on each side, lots of natural light. For perspective, this is a king-size bed. So there's the door where we come in. Over here, this is our bathroom entry. So we've actually added a lot of options to our design center, especially in the bathroom. You're going to notice there's a lot of really eye-catching features in here that we just love, and the people have been going gaga over. So we got the single standalone tub, the soaker tub, which has been awesome. Separate Euro-style shower. Something to note, so typically a shower will come with metal all along these lines in kind of a frame, and then the Euro style eliminates that frame, so you just get a lot more open look. And I hope that conveys well on camera, of course. Then this is your 2 sinks here. We got the under cabinet lighting, toe kick lighting, which has been super cool. The window lighting as well. Really just makes your bathroom pop. Separate water closet here, which has been really nice as well. Just close that door, and that room is isolated. This is your walk-in closet. Try and get a good angle here. Lots of space. Views of the community, of course. Another rack there, and that's back to your bathroom. A little bit about the community. This is a really nice, balanced suburban lifestyle. We're doing lots on the larger side of what you typically find in new construction these days. Normally, from what I've seen, it's about 0.13 to 0.16 acres, and we don't have anything smaller than 0.17, 0.18 out here. So that's been really nice, and it just really creates this nice community feel that you don't normally get, I think, with new construction sometimes these days. This is going to feel more like your traditional community from about 10 years ago. If you're from Utah, you'll know how things have changed and gone away from that 1/4 acre, and this is going to feel a lot closer to that. So this is the backyard. We, of course, have it landscaped, and then we have like a nice barbecue pit there. Really awesome. Lots of good space, plenty of room for a dog or however you want to use it. But I believe that brings us to the end of our tour, unless we have any questions. Again, this is the Amesbury floor plan, building in Crestwood Estates in Roy, Utah. Okay, fantastic. Hey, thank you all for tuning in. We hope to see you come out and check them out for yourself. See if we can find a better by design home for you. Better by design home for you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
To learn more about this home, click the links in the description and be sure to stay tuned for more new home showcases.